Good afternoon, everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandmom. It's Tuesday review day, and I've got the Amupper stencil. This is what I use to stencil on, in my artwork and things like that. And this was a metal one. This was very, very nice. And I'm going to open it because it's going to go in my divider anyway. So, open it. How's everybody doing? Doing fine. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Let me take this out so you can actually see it. Looks like a ruler, and it actually does have measurements on it, which I would probably never use. But it has, like when you're doing your planning and stuff like that, it has stars and hearts and pencils and arrows and houses and locks, and has all kinds of circles, squares, rectangles, triangles. This is really good. It's got a few, it's got an F for Facebook. But that's really, if you can see it, let's see if we can turn it around this way so you can see it all. So I'm going to use this in my book, and I like this. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.